for this spectacular coronation night.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight on this very stage, we will be celebrating dreams. Dreams of 48 beautiful women chosen from all across the country.
The new Miss Universe India is
Representing India at Miss Universe was the dream. To say that I'm
MUI 09 Divyanshi Sachi Bihar.
MUI 10 Evelyn Zatingpui Mizoram.
MUI 12 Jacqueline Pradhan Sikkim. MUI 15 Kashmir Telangana. MUI 19 Longu Komal Arunachal Pradesh.
MUI 21 Manika Vishwakarma Rajasthan. MUI 25 Prakriti Kambam Andhra Pradesh. MUI 26 Radhika Singhal Uttarakhand.
MUI 27 Raksha Jaiswal Maharashtra. MUI 28 Ravitanya Sharma Punjab. MUI 44 Tasneem Raza Karnataka. MUI 47 Vaishnavi Thakur Goa. MUI 12 Jacqueline Pradhan Sikkim.
Subtitle of Miss Popular, and it goes to Sarangdhem Nirupama. Contestant number 10 Evelyn Zatingpui.
the next.
रुक जा।
Contestant number 10, Evelyn Sachingpui.
Contestant number 21, Monica Vishwakarma. Contestant number 22, Mehak Dhingra. Number 37,
Contestant number 40. Number 3, Amishi Kaushik from Haryana, an economics honors graduate and a professional model. She blends purpose with fashion, restoring polluted lakes and beaches while gracing high fashion runways with equal dedication.
Contestant number 21, Monica Vishwakarma, a model, student and artist, advocate for neurodivergent individuals, revels in her passion to embody and express India's divine diversity through her art, actions and advocacy.
Contestant number 29, Riddhi Kumar, an actor and philosophy postgraduate. Her request was once even accepted by the Prime Minister of India, advocating for philosophy as a subject to be added in school curriculum.
Contestant number 30, Riya Turkey from Jharkhand. She's an actor, entrepreneur and pageant coach. Inspired by Lara Datta, she entered into pageantry in 2015. Through 10 years of her consistent hard work, she is here to conquer her dreams because universe only listens to stubborn-hearted people.
Contestant number 32, Rosh Sandhu. She holds the values of integrity very strongly. She has explored aviation, fashion, authorship and holds a versatile professional background in psychology and commercial modeling. She truly is a curious soul.
Contestant number 37, Sarangthem Nirupama. Born to a farmer in a small village in Manipur, Nirupama is a psychology student who turned her life experiences in a conflict affected state into her purpose, advocating for mental health and positive social media.
Contestant number 43, Tanya Sharma. Acting, dancing and law. Her life is a trilogy of passion. She believes it is her aura that lingers long after she is gone, and the unshakable confidence of knowing she is already everything she was meant to be.
Namaste. I'm Manushi Chillar, FPB Colors Femina Miss India Haryana 2017. I'm 20 years old and currently pursuing my medicine from the only girls' college in our country, opened after independence. I am a person who's driven by passion and strongly believe that with focus, hard work and determination, nothing in this world is impossible.
Hi, my name is Rudy H. Shatri, FBP Colors Femina Miss India Mizoram 2017. I am 23 years old and I recently completed my master's in social work. And as a social worker, I love working with people, and I believe that each and every individual inherent worth and dignity. And I also want to thank my people, my state, for their never-ending support and love. And I feel lucky and blessed that I am the first one who represents my state in Miss India. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the top 6 of Miss Universe India 2020. Please pick your chit. Well, your question says, beauty pageants are sometimes criticized for reinforcing traditional beauty standards. How would you redefine the purpose of such competitions in modern India?
A very good evening to judges and everyone present here tonight. People often took beauty pageant as for someone who have good figure, for someone who have good face, or for the gowns we wore and the makeup. But it's way more bigger than that. It's a platform for sharing the voice for the voiceless. Let's take a deep moment for all my 47 co-contestants from different states, bringing up different advocacy for the state, for the nation, and for globally, for a betterment of our society. I was a victim of multiple cyber harassment for speaking up for women, for children, and for peace. But today, in front of all these beautiful people around me, I stood in front of you with turning every pain into power to inspire generations to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nirupama. Moving on to Rouge. Rouge, your question is, if you won Miss Universe India and were asked to promote a cause you personally disagree with, how would you handle that situation?
Good evening, one and all. If I were to, can I please
I'll read out the question once again. If you won Miss Universe India and were asked to promote a cause you personally disagree with, how would you handle the situation?
I personally completely agree when we talk about the LGBTQ community that they do have rights to go through the body changes, because it's all about what we are born with, but then also we have a choice to live by about what we like and how we want to live our life as. And I would not agree anybody to not change themselves just because they want to be happy. In life, we all want to truly feel accepted about our real self. And definitely, I would promote the LGBTQ community to come forward and go through the physiological changes that they really want to go ahead with to have a smoother and acceptable life. Thank you.
Thank you. So the question is, with AI and automation replacing jobs, How can India ensure that women in the workforce are not left behind? What skills would you emphasize?
Thank you for the question. I believe that AI is one of humanity's greatest inventions. And I know in today's day and age, we often fear that going ahead, it might take our jobs. But I believe that that should not be the case. AI should be used to empower human creativity and not replace human artistry. AI should be with us and not against us. And I think that it is a tool that we can use to promote human creativity instead of derate it. Thank you.
Tanya, your question is, climate change affects everyone, but policies often hurt low-income workers the most. How would you propose a solution that balances environmental protection and economic fairness?
Thank you. I believe that climate change is not a tomorrow problem, it's a now problem. The world is not dying, we are killing it every day with the choices we make. And the solution for this is to take every step with mindfulness and compassion and kindness towards our world. And I believe that when we do that and when we help the world, we're not just saving the climate and the world, we're saving each other. Thank you.
Well, your question is, if you had to choose between advocating for women's education or immediate economic aid for impoverished families, which one would you prioritize and why? How would you address the counter-arguments? I would repeat it for you. If you had to choose between advocating for women's education or immediate economic aid for impoverished families, which one would you prioritize and why? How would you address the counter-arguments?
Two sides of the coin. One side, where we have seen that women have been deprived of basic rights such as education for as long as we could remember. And on the other side, we see the result of it, the impoverished families. It's about this that the 50% of our population has been deprived of the basic amenity that could change their life. And if I have to, I would choose the option of women's education. I would advocate for it because it would not just change the life of one person, it would change the entire strata of future of this country, of this world. While both are important, it's about taking actions that can help in the long run. Thank you very much.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude the question and answer round of our top 6. Ladies, please smile for the cameras because you are the top 6. And please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for our top 6. Their fates are being decided on that
is Sarangatam Nirupama.
And requesting Rufo Jano Vizo, the fourth runner-up of Miss Universe India 2024, to kindly come up on stage for the crowning.
Manika Vishwakarma.
Presenting to you the newly crowned Miss Universe India, Manika Vishwakarma.